Introduction to End-to-End Encryption in Signal.
Signal is a popular messaging app known for its strong privacy features. One of its main advantages is end-to-end encryption, which protects messages so only you and your recipient can read them. This guide will walk you through setting up and verifying end-to-end encryption in Signal, helping ensure your conversations stay private.
Downloading and installing Signal.
To begin, download the Signal app from the official App Store on your device, either Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to register your phone number. Signal will send you a verification code needed to complete the setup. Once entered, your app is ready to use.
Setting up secure messaging.
By default, all one-on-one and group chats in Signal use end-to-end encryption. After installing, start a new chat by selecting a contact who also uses Signal. You'll notice a lock icon near the message box, indicating your messages are securely encrypted. Signal ensures that only you and your contact can read your conversations.
Verifying encryption with safety numbers.
For an extra layer of security, you can verify that your conversation is encrypted with the correct contact using safety numbers. Tap on the contact's name, select View Safety Number, and compare this number with your contact, either in person or through another secure channel. Matching numbers confirm your messages are truly end-to-end encrypted.
Maintaining your privacy on Signal.
Remember to keep Signal updated to benefit from the latest security improvements. Use secure device locks and enable app-specific protections like registration lock under Signal's privacy settings. These steps help you maintain the best possible protection for your private messages, ensuring your communication remains confidential and secure.